Hello guys, Mrs. O here. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while to sit down here. So today I want to share something about tree hugging a tree. Guys, before anything else, might you will hear like a flapping sounds. It's windy out there. It's like we have storm going on, so it's so quiet in here, but you can hear that kind of flap. It's from the exhaust fan from the stove. But anyway, so hello again, this is Mrs. O. First thing first, please, I want you to be a member of my small community here. Please subscribe, and I appreciate each one of you. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell for you are updated if I have any upload. So guys, again, my channel is all about anything and everything. All right, so today I want to share what I've been doing, or my experience. Okay, so one time I was really not feeling well, and then I pushed myself to go for a walk with my family, and we went to our favorite park that's closer to our home. So I was really, I don't know if I was having a indigestion going on, and suddenly my tummy hurt while on our way to the park. And I was thinking that it will just go away once I start walking. But it's like, oh gosh, guys, you know the feeling of like bloated, and it was just so unpleasant. And then because I already tried hugging a tree in a different time, so we are still winter, so trees here, no leaves, is you know how it is in winter time. They're still hibernating. And I'm just guessing that they are so healthy tree. So I chose the big one, the big tree, and I talked to it like, there's a life in it, So I just say, can I hug you, please? Take away my pain. I'm having pain going on. And I talk to the tree just like, just like another person. And while I was hugging and really saying, please take away my pain, take away what's going on in my body right now. Guys, believe me, while I was hugging, I can feel it's really slow down, and the pain stop. It's like, oh my God, I was like, oh my God, I can feel it, I can feel it. I was like that. Oh, thank you so much. I was, guys, again, I am blown away of how it does wonder of hugging a tree. So if you are like me, desperate of anything that what I can do to just have a relief, guys, do it. Might you are down or whatever you are having, if you are going through something, I'm telling you, the best place to go is by the nature. So go in the nature and hug a tree, and guys, believe me, you will feel the amazing healing. So yep, that's all what I want to share to you guys about hugging a tree, that it really does wonder. So I was so, it's in back of my head, I was like, I wanna share this out there, you know, because I am one of those people that I hate taking pain medication, guys. So if you know, you know. If there's anything natural, I will go on that route, you know. So, all right, go hug a tree, whatever you're feeling, you know. Guys, I'm telling you, and please, if you went there and tell me your experience, okay? Please come back and comment down below, all right? So again, this is Mrs. O, and I hope that I help. I hope that you learned something from this video, all right? So I will not stay longer here until next time, and please don't forget to subscribe again, all right? And you guys stay well, stay happy, all right? Bye for now.